Here's how to make another Instagram account. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the top right, and let's scroll down to the very bottom. You need to just tap on Add Account on here. And you can choose to log into an existing one, or in this case, let's say create a new account. Now on here, you need to enter in a new account username, and you'll be able to see if I just enter Trevor here, it will pop up with, nope, that is not available. So basically you need to make it unique enough that nobody else has that username. You can try a few until you get that green check. After that, just hit the next button and you can choose to create a password. Again, you can enter in whatever you want in terms of a password and then hit next. Now go through the process of setting up this account, and after you've done that, you can easily switch back and forth. So let me go back out of here. All you need to do is hit log out and let's hit yes, continue. And then just like that, basically you can go back and forth between the different, let's hit cancel here and log out and just log out. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see this main profile, the original one you had, in addition to the separate one that you just created. You'll be able to quickly and easily switch between the two.